What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I want to teach you guys how to become a profitable trader whilst scalping boom and crash. Today I've brought to you this simple and easy boom and crash scalping strategy that you can use today and make these kind of profits that I've been making whilst using this strategy. As you can see, we've only been making profits and profits and profits and profits, and right now we are on $116 in profit in just one day. This is the 15th of January, and we've just made all these profit in a single day. So this is the strategy that I want to explain and expagorate to you guys so that you don't fail to make money in 2023, or you don't fail to become a profitable trader in 2023. Okay, if you also want to help yourself grow in this trading journey, I am giving out 1 month free signals. 1 month free signal. The signals that I give in my VIP signals group, I'm going to be giving them for free for the next 1 month. And if you want to join that, just make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, you have liked this video, and you have commented down below the most important thing or the most valuable thing that you learned during this video. And you can send me proof that you have subscribed and that you have liked on my WhatsApp number, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for 1 month. And this will help you grow and increase your trading capital, so that even if you're trading on your own using these strategies, you'll be able to have enough capital to play around with. Right? So it's that simple. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've subscribed, you've liked this video, and you comment down below the most important thing or the most valuable thing that you learned during this video. And you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to find my WhatsApp number from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description box below. It's completely free again to join. Just click the link and you'll be able to get my WhatsApp number from that Telegram channel. Okay? So it's easy. Let's start. Let's jump into today's business. Right here, right now, what you see is the strategy that I want to explain to you guys. So I'm going to share with you guys the settings. I'm going to also share with you guys the conditions that have to be met for you to enter these entries using these strategies. And we're also going to discuss about risk management, your psychology, your take profit levels, and everything that you might need to actually become profitable, right? Which is the goal this year. I've also posted another lesson on our second YouTube channel. Make sure you go check it out. If you want to be a good trader, you have to learn and learn and learn each and every time. So go check it out. I'll leave the link again in the description box below for our second YouTube channel. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll remove all these indicators so that we can have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy, so that you don't get confused or miss any of the points that I will be releasing right here. The first indicator that we want to install is the normal moving average that you guys are familiar with. We're going to have a moving average with the following properties. It is going to have a period of 20, a shift of 0, a method of simple, apply to close, and then there are no levels for this moving average. But then the styling, I chose the color red. It would be wise if you keep on following the same colors that I'm using, and then you can later change or customize to your personal colors once you have understood the strategy. So I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, we have that red moving average running across our charts. And then the next indicator that we want to install, this is a little bit of a new indicator. You guys, I'm sure, are not familiar with it. It's called the Williams percent range, which is this one. You'll be able to find it under oscillator. So it's an oscillator. So Williams percent range has got the following properties. We're going to have a period of 100 levels. This is very important. We should have a minus 50 there, or a 50 as it is. And then the styling, let me just style it to a very bright color that you can all see. Let's just say green, right? And done. So now, as you can see, we have successfully installed and completely installed our strategy, and everything is in order. Now what's left is understanding how to use this strategy. We're talking about when to buy and when to sell when you have this strategy. Okay, don't forget to get your 1 month free VIP signals from us by just subscribing, liking this video, and commenting what you would have understood better from what I'm teaching today. And you can send me all the proof on my WhatsApp number, and I'll add you to that WhatsApp VIP signals group, okay, for free. Let's talk about the conditions. How are you going to enter a buy? How are you going to enter a sell? Now, this is a scalping strategy, like I said, which means we're going to be selling on Boom and we're going to be buying on Crash as well. So I'll start off with Crash, and this is because there's a nice setup that we just missed a few moments ago, which just happened. But basically, there are two conditions that have to be met. Or maybe before I get to the conditions, number one, we'll be using the 1 minute time frame. Number two, we can use the second from last zoom level, or the second smallest zoom level. It's perfect. So this is the smallest zoom level, this is the second smallest zoom level, this is the third smallest zoom level, fourth smallest, and so forth and so forth. So I'm going to go back to my second smallest and show you this setup. So this is a trend following our strategy again, which means that we are mostly going to be trading in line with the trend most of the time. And this is how we're going to identify our trend from our 1 minute time frame. We're going to wait for price to cross to be above this red line, and this shows that we are now looking for buy opportunities, or basically we are now in an uptrend, right? And once you have established that, you're going to go to our indicator window 1 and look for when this green line crossed from the bottom going up, crossed the 50 level. And if it has crossed the 50 level like that, and then that's your entry. So your entry point was supposed to be somewhere there, and go up, all the way up with your market. Now can you see that there was a short spike that came soon after you ended? This is to push all the people that don't know what they're doing in the market, because the seller does, the market maker does not want to pay a lot of people. So a lot of people are going to panic here and exit the trade. But can you see that the trade kept on going up and up, because we had already identified that entry long time ago? So you also have to have that in mind. We're already talking about the psychology part of trading. You should also know about that. You should also know about that. Maybe this was a chance. Let's look at another position. Here we have our price crossing our red line, indicating that the buy opportunities are now available. All you had to do now was to wait for this green line to cross the 50 level from the bottom going up, which means your entry was supposed to be here. And as you can see, the market pushed all the way up soon after. Again, you experience this spike. This small spike, they should actually show you that sellers don't have that much momentum now, but the market cannot keep going up and up and up. There's always going to be breathing in and out, and there's always going to be people that are going to be pushed out. So here you can even imagine the amount of people that exited their trade, although they were already profitable, but the big money kept on going. The big money kept on going. So we can go on and on and on looking at these opportunities. Like I said, the cross here, this is not an entry. This is not an entry. What's happening here is not an entry, because we said this green line has to cross coming from the bottom. Coming from the bottom, not coming from the top. Coming from the bottom. So this is not valid. This is better, because we're coming from the bottom, and you get your nice entry and you go all the way up. Let's take a look at Boom. It's pretty much the same, except that this time is the opposite. This time we're going to want price to cross from the top. So first of all, we're going to wait for price to cross from the top, crossing our red line, going below this red line, and of course crossing the 50 level, going down, and that's when you're going to get some nice entries from there. Again, here there were nice entries, yes, and we'd collect some pips going all the way down. We could collect some pips going all the way down. I can go on and on and on. This strategy has been proven. I've been using it. You can see some of the results that I have right here. All these are winning trades. All these are winning trades. Even if you want to find out more about this, go check out my Telegram channel. I've posted results, my results, my students' results, and you'll see that these are very powerful strategies that we are using, right? You can also join our account management program whereby I trade for you. I look for these opportunities for you. And you just have to provide the capital to trade, and we will be profitable. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the account management thing, you'll be able to find out more about it in our Telegram channel. Like I said, the link will be in the description box below, and it's completely free to join. We are over 8,000 traders in there, and I believe we are up to something. So that'll be all for this video. Until next time.